Joel here from Mobility and Wellness. Today I'm going to show you just how the Aspire Vogue lightweight 2-seat walker is going to arrive to you. This walker is 100% assembled. It does not require any tools to assemble. With a few minor adjustments once it's out the box, you're ready to go. To start with, let's open the box. To start with, pull your walker out of the box. Like all the Vogue range, this walker is locked when it's in the box. This is due to the lock when fold feature here on the front. To unlock, simply push this red clip in. Your walker now starts to unfold. You want to make sure you push down on the left and right hand side of the seat to lock your walker into place. As always, you want to check the brakes. They are preset, but it's always better to check. Simply go for a walk and engage the brakes. Check the locking down brakes. They should not move. Next, you're going to want to adjust the handle heights. To do so, simply loosen the adjustment knobs on either side. Find your desired height. Firmly lock the knobs into place. Thanks for watching, guys. As you've just seen, this comes 100% assembled. It doesn't require any tools to build. Once you've got it out of the box with a few minor adjustments, your walker is ready to go. If you would like any more information on the Lightweight 2 or any of our other range, visit us at mobilityandwellness.com.au or give us a call 1300 108 280. Thanks for watching, guys.